Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today here in this full video I will show you how to fix check-in isn't available to send to this recipient issue on iOS 17. When you adding the check-in option in a conversation, you may sometimes receive the error message check-in isn't available to send to this recipient. And because of the error message doesn't tell you why this is the case or offers a quick solution, finding a single option that can quickly fix the issue isn't easy. But fret not, we have listed all the possible solutions that will help you remedy the issue. So now let's begin to fix this issue. For the very first solution is ensure that both senders and receivers iPhones are running on iOS 17. Because check-in works only with iOS 17 devices. So make sure both of the sender and receiver's iPhone are updated to the latest iOS version. Here as you can see, the device is updated to the latest version iOS 17. Now we'll see second solution, and the second solution is turn on full check-in data for messages. When you're sharing check-in, you might also want to consider turning on full check-in data for messages. To do this, first of all open Settings app and then tap on Messages. Next in the Messages section, tap on Data under Check-in. Then here select the full option instead of limited. This will easily fix the issue if it is caused by insufficient access to data. Now the third solution is ensure that cellular data is active on your device. For the location to be shared constantly and without any interruptions, make sure that you turn on your mobile data. To do this, first of all go to Settings, then here tap on Cellular. Now simply turn Toggle on next to Cellular data. And that's it. Now we'll see fourth solution, and the fourth solution is ensure location service is enabled. Besides ensuring internet activity through an active mobile data plan, you will also need to enable location services for the duration of travel. So you can turn it on from Settings, then Privacy. Now tap on Location Services. In here, simply turn Toggle on next to Location Services. And if it is already turned on, then turn it off for a while and again turn it on. Now fifth solution is enable significant location inside location services. Now to turn on significant locations, first of all go to Settings, then here scrolling down and tap on Privacy. Now select Location Services. Next here you will find System Services. Tap on that. Now here scrolling down and select Significant Locations. So here you will get the option to turn on significant locations. Simply turn Toggle on next to significant locations. That's it. Now sixth solution is exit and reopen the Messages app. When all the solution fails, a soft reset of the Messages app can sometimes resolve the issue. Although it's not always necessary, and you should consider the after mentioned fix first. Simply exiting and reopening the Messages app can help fix minor bugs and get check-in back in order. Now the seventh solution is check if iMessages servers are down. Sometimes you may receive the error message simply because the iMessage servers are down. Although it's not a frequent occurrence, it's not uncommon for iMessage services to become unavailable from time to time. Also you can check it if message servers are down by visiting Apple's system status page. So that's how easily you can fix the issue check-in isn't available to send to this recipient on iOS 17. Hopefully this video will be helpful to all of you. Thank you so much.